What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda. Are you going to let me make my case? Hey guys, you know I love cases for my iPhone XS Max, and one of the problems with cases is I never know exactly what they look like until you get them, and so, why not get them all? Hey, so that's what I did here. Picked this up from Miracase. They seem to make a really nice looking case, and I just kind of want to show you what they got going on here because it's pretty clever and it's pretty different. It's not quite what I expect in the pictures, but in a really good way. So first of all, as you can see, I've got black, a light blue, a dark blue, navy light blue, a pink, or maybe a kind of a dusty rose, and then a red. So let me just grab one here that's quite bright because I want to show it to you in all its glory. So what we have here is a case, and what you might not really be able to tell from this is that it's very soft and it's quite thick. Not in a super bad way, but it's going to add some girth to your phone, but it's going to be very protective. Because of how soft they are, they've got this kind of velvety, rubberized feel, soft touch feel to it. But you can see here, while they do bend, they don't really bend and fold up like those TPU or those silicone cases. And really, it's maybe most visible here around the camera. You can see even we've got a little beveled edge there and how thick that is. So you get a lot of substance to these cases. If we take a look down here even, where we have cutouts for the speakers and the lightning port, you can see again how thick it is. So it's going to really add a really robust layer of protection, and it's just really nice. It's smoothed out all the way around. We have molded in volume rocker buttons, and then a button right here. This is probably going to be the hardest one to get to that flip switch for the mute button, if anything, and then the molded in power button. Now on the flip side here, what we have is like a Alcantara. It's almost like a suede-like inner lining, so you don't have to worry about the glass getting scratched up. That is super nice. That's applied in there. It's a molded piece that's kind of resting in there, and so you're going to get good protection. I mean, from a protection standpoint, I think this is probably like second to none. From a style standpoint, it looks great. You get to dress up your phone in a way that maybe you're getting tired of your color. That color that you're using. So I'm just going to press it on here. Goes on pretty easily, and like I said, you got the access to the button. I can feel the clicks there. So we get all that. Nice cutouts here for speakers, big wide opening for the lightning port. Power button works no problem. Camera housing right there. You can see it's even a little lower than this upper ridge. Kind of this lower beveled portion right here is actually kind of even with the camera housing, so you don't have to worry about putting this down and scratching the lens or anything like that. And then even on the front side here, see, it's probably ruled. This ruled edge is maybe 1 millimeter higher than the screen too, so you get really nice protection. Now again, you can pick any color that you like here, matching Alcantara or microfiber interior here. That's nice. I'm not sure. I might go with the dark blue here. I really like that. This light blue, this kind of baby or sky blue is pretty nice too. But I'll tell you, I'm probably torn between the black and the blue. I kind of like those darker colors. That kind of makes it a little more subtle. But man, they are all built with the same beautiful construction, high quality construction. So you don't have to worry about your phone getting damaged. But man, add a lot of style. Make it even more comfortable in the hand. I'll tell you what, holding it like this, I feel this is like grippier. I actually feel more secure holding this, in windy conditions and adverse conditions, and not slipping out of my hand because I just have a really good purchase on it. So it's I really dig it, man. Check it out. I'll put a link to this in the description if you want to pick up one of these mirror cases. They're not expensive, and yet, man, you just get a lot for them. Really robust case. And so hopefully I've made the case for them. Link in the description below. Peter von Panda, out.